decision of the Supreme Court, and the world welcomed that decision. It would be very unfortunate for the duty bearers to make it look like Uganda does not wish to implement the decision of the Supreme Court. My colleague has already said the Attorney General in his advice fell short of directing or telling the prison in a definitive manner what to do when there is no valid warrant to continue detaining a person. Because we all know what should be done. That person should be released immediately, because the court always says, unless otherwise lawfully held. The two gentlemen, Dr. Besigye and Mr. Lutale, are not lawfully held. They are illegally detained at Luzira prison. So we are asking the duty bearers not to give a bad name to the Republic of Uganda. Let them obey the lawful orders and do what they need to do. And just to show you that indeed the world is watching, we are here with Musula Rifu from Comoros. He practices law in both Comoros and France. And like I've said before, he was the lead lawyer for Usman Sonko, who is now the Prime Minister of Senegal. We have also Gloria, where are you? Gloria Kimani from Kenya, a council member of the Law Society of Kenya, detailed by the Law Society to come and see what is going on. Uganda is a member of the East Africa community, and members of the community are keenly watching, because one of the foundational principles is the rule of law principle. Here we have Generali Ulimwengu from Tanzania, a jurist from Tanzania. He also writes a column in the East African. And you can see Tanzania too is interested. We have with him Mpale Mpoki, also from Tanzania, a renowned jurist from Tanzania. He has had occasion to be the Vice President of the Tanganyika Law Society. He is here as an international jurist and also detailed by Amnesty International to come and observe what is going on. We also have Ronald Ebole, Amnesty International, also here to observe what is going on. Have I left out any other observer? We have several other observers who have gone ahead because their flights were this afternoon. And so therefore, when we say that the judgment of the Supreme Court has been welcomed, not just by Uganda, but East Africa and the world, and people are keenly watching to see Uganda following the rule of law. We are also still hopeful, and I'm telling those in government, don't drag your feet. Don't make Uganda look like it doesn't want to obey court orders. Effect this judgment. On our part, we will do the best we can.